and this is Discover Together at Halton Hills Public Library. Let's discover blocks and blueprints. Visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to place yours on hold. Let's get started. Each kit contains 2 cloth bags with wooden blocks in them, an instruction sheet to help guide you, and several blueprints to choose from. The colored border around each blueprint indicates the level of difficulty. Green for beginners, yellow is intermediate, and the red for more challenging designs. I'm going to choose yellow, an intermediate blueprint. Let's explore our materials. Which blocks have straight sides? Which blocks have curved sides? Can you name some of the shapes? The blueprints give us the left, front, and right perspectives of the structure to help us arrange the blocks to recreate the design. Now let's build. Find the shapes needed to build your structure. Here's a tip. One side or face of your block will match the pattern on the blueprint. And we're done! Amazing job! Now challenge yourself by trying to build the structure again directly onto your tabletop or floor without the blueprint. Thanks for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Head on over to our website and search Discover Together and place your kit on hold today.